Hello students, please let's start to discuss about new story. Yes, we have a new story again, and please be positive, be ready to be active and try to understand more and more. First, let's start with prediction as usually. Yes, please look at these two pictures. What is it? Yes, it is a tree, but what with? With leaves. Yes, very good. And there are two girls. Yes, yes, maybe two. Yes, maybe two friends. Yes, no, or maybe two. They are the same. Please look at them. They are the same. Okay, maybe about two sisters. Very good. Okay, this is a story about tree with leaves and two sisters. Very good. Now it's time to brainstorm. Please, you have a sheet of papers where you have to write your ideas about the summary of the story. So, what can this story be about? Yes. Okay, I give you only 2-3 minutes to be ready with this task, and don't show others. Please put in your hand and don't show it. Yes. Okay, very good. Please, let's continue. Now we have to note our objectives, so our goals. Yes. First, you as learners will be able to demonstrate your knowledge according to the theme. So you have to be ready to discuss. Yes, because this next task or the next objective is to discuss and make a dialogue or debate. Yes, it will be your surprise. Will it be a dialogue or a debate? I don't know. Please, let's do it later. Next, we have 3 steps. Yes, 3 big parts of our whole lesson. First, it is a pre-listening where you have to predict and write your ideas. Yes, we've started to do it in our brainstorm. Next, it's while listening. You have 2 parts. Yes, common question and specific questions. How do you think? What will we do with common question and specific question? Yes, very good. We have to listen once and twice. First, as usual, yes, we will do with common questions, maybe about story. Yes, you will look at worksheet number 2. And with specific questions. Yes, you will listen second time and then write your answers to the specific questions. Then, after listening, we have again 3 steps. First, draw your opinion about the problem. Yes, it is more drawing part. Yes, it's more about art because you have to show your talented side. Yes, then you give it to your partner. Yes, we are sitting together and give it to your partner. Very good. You have to be more expressive. Yes, then your partners will predict your ideas. So this part is very maybe incredible, yes, or amazing, because you have to show your illusion, your associations with something, because you listen twice, yes, and don't forget to make a notes. Yes, what can you do before listening? Yes. Okay, next, then we have practice. As we usually say, practice, and again, what? Yes, practice. Because we have to practice our speaking, yes, while listening, while reading, it's not matter. First, we have a guided practice, of course, with me. Discuss answers to the questions. Yes, here we are. Common question and specific questions. To the question and the moral of the story or idea of the story. Here I showed some words. How do you think? Where you can use this method? Yes, we've discussed the previous lesson that there are a lot of types, a lot of strategies how to remember words. Yes, mnemonic recording or mnemonic examples. Here is one of them, yes, that we've discussed before. For example, look, smile, and tree. Yes, we have in this story about tree, yes. So here you have to show them. For making sentence, it will be easier for your partner to predict the idea. Very good. Then, as usual, after guided practice, without my helping, without my working, I will just look through and go through for just assessing or just listening. What are you talking about? Because here we have a debate. Yes, this is your surprise. Yes, I have said. So we have right side and left side. So what do you think? What will these sides do? Yes, of course, they will speak or they will discuss, yes, the problem that is shown in this story. But before it, we have a silent period. Do you know what is silent period? Yes, it is a time when you are not speaking, but just thinking, brainstorming. Yes, just look at your imagination, look at your prediction about all of these ideas that you have to show in your debate. Yes, you have to maybe write them or just think and prepare your sentences for proving something. Yes, for proving. Okay, I give you 4 minutes. Please be ready with your ideas. Then continue our work. Yes, then we will continue our work. Okay, now let's divide into groups according to the pictured puzzles. Yes, as usual. Yes, very good. You have a puzzle with a tree, with the right side, and the left side is the picture of two sisters. Yes, please put one puzzle and put them together. Who take the one puzzle will work with picture one. Yes, this will be first group and this will be second group. Very good. Okay, but before working we have a criteria. Yes, we are always assessing each other. You will assess during debate, during speaking, yes, your partners. First criteria is vocabulary. So there is scores. Yes, you have to put them 1 scores for every part. Discussion. Okay, vocabulary, we've discussed about these stories vocabulary, yes, that we've heard today. Then discussion, so you should not to answer or not to keep silent, yes. Then answer should be full. Yes, it is a keyword here, full answers. So you have to say your opinion, say your ideas in a full meaning. Okay, very good. You've worked today very hard. You work very active. Thank you for your working. But don't forget you have a home task here. Of course, as usual. You have worksheet number 4. Fill in the blanks, the story last leave. At home, you have to read this story. Yes, again, without listening, yes, it will be easy for you because you've listened to it today twice. And speak about, yes, today we speak about it. And discussed, yes, it will be easy for you to work with this story. So just read them, and there are some missing words. So you have to put them and find them. Which words are more useful for this sentence, yes? Thank you for your work. Goodbye. See you later.